Okay, guys, I'm here at the range, testing out the rifle after uh, straightening up the front sight base. It is absolutely flawless. I went and put it at mechanical 0. I've only had made 2 adjustments to the front sight. Rear sight, no windage. It's straight on. It is bullseye all the way. It's just great the way I did it. No issues at all. I mean, none. None at all. But I put 9 rounds through it, to make my adjustments. Now I got a 30 round mag. So let's do some shooting. Totally fully loaded. No problems at all. It's, great. I also got some steel case, Monarch. Stock feels good. I have no problem with it. It's great. I probably will do the extended butt pad on it, but no issues at all. I mean, none. Well, let's go ahead and keep going at it. All right, guys. 30 round mag. 5.56. It's right there. So that's 30 rounds, no issues whatsoever. Go ahead and take a look at the scope. Man, I nearly shot out the circle. No, I know the Fire War Comp, they're talking about having that issue where it sounds like a tuning fork. Well, right now I'm not having that issue, which is strange, because you figure you would, but I'm not having that issue at all. Let's go ahead and flip it around. Maybe be able to see it through scope. As you can see, no issues. We can tell. See? Just a slight adjustment on that. Some adjustments on the front side. No problem at all. Front sight base is straight. So pretty much my idea worked. Let's see. You can see it. No issues at all, guys. So I'm going to set it to, it's at 25 yards. I'm going to set it to 50 yards, and then we'll see. Alright guys, here's the target. I can see it's all center. Very little adjustments, almost clear out the circle. I'll go ahead and move it back. We'll move it to the 50-yard line and change the target. Alright guys, new target, 50 yard. So we'll see how it does on this one. Unfortunately, I can't drop the rifle and try it. I'll have to do it some other time. Make sure the sight stays, so, which I'm pretty confident it is. So I'll go back and get ready.
Pistol range, fire when ready.
Okay guys, Me loading up the magazine with some steel case. I haven't shot yet. I've shot brass. So let's see how the rifle does with steel case. I shall soon find out. Smarnark 223. And I know you're going to be picky, but I like to shoot 5.56. Better than a 223, especially when I'm sighting in. I will use the green tip, because that's what I have. $20 rounds. $20 steel case. 223 Monarch. 50 yards. Three shots. Three. Then we'll see how it goes. It is. Let's see. Shooting a little to the left, which is fine. It's at 50 yards. Sighting at 25 like it's supposed to be. So let's do 3 more rounds. I hope you guys can hear me. Let's see. Well, it's a little high, but it's still center. Let's keep going. Is it germs? I don't remember if that's 3 or not. I'm doing good. Still center. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good for someone that has had no sleep. Literally, no sleep. It's just some more. Do these 20 rounds, and I'll put it up, and I'll do my after action review. Rounds. Let's do another 20. 20 rounds. Barrel's pretty hot. Handguards aren't. Always pick up your trash. Okay, so the barrel is hot, but the handguards aren't, which is cool beans. Let's go ahead and look through and see how we did. Still a little high, but I even got one in the bullseye. So y'all just wait and see. So we just gotta look for others. Alright guys, I don't know if you were able to hear me earlier, but here's the target. Take a look. See, they're all tight shot groups, and look, got it even there. We got some up here, but still in the same area. Now I could have made some adjustments, but I'm just having fun today, testing it out. You know, the work I did on the front sight base. So let's go ahead and put this target back and clear the range and do my after action report review. Well guys, not so bad for a guy who had no sleep going on. God, I don't even know. As of 6 this morning, it was 24 hours with no sleep. Worked a long day. Drove all the way from Memphis. Went to the shop because I got an alert that my Geisley Super 42 braided buffer spring and buffer were out for delivery. But unfortunately, I didn't time it right. I did get there, but I unloaded some stuff and threw some trash out of the work van. And I also used the restroom, so it's like I missed them by that much, unfortunately. So I wanted to be able to put it in it. But like I said, it's great. I had no issues at all. Gas port lined up perfectly and everything. It was fine. You know, no issues whatsoever. Front sight base is good. It's great. You know, that the Magpul stock did feel comfortable. Like I said, I'm going to get the thicker pad. It's just me. It's just the way I am. Because I got the thicker pad on the other one. Anyways, I wish I had the Geisley spring. I just wanted it. And now I got to wait till Monday. Anyways, it's just great. Everybody, you know, it was an awesome time. I didn't have any issues with the steel case. I know years ago with my wife's other rifle, It did have issues. The barrel, I forgot where I got it from, but it did have issues. Um, it would get stuck and everything, so I just shot brass through it. Um, I'll be fixing to get the wife another one. I will be building another one, an M4A1. It'll be from Palmetto State Armory. Of course, all the parts and everything except for the barrel. This time we are going with the Daniel Defense Cold Hammer Forged barrel, like I had on my other build. So we're just going to have two different barrels. It will still have a flash hider, the 3-pronged flash hider, but it's from a different company. And it's basically the same thing. It has the ports in it. You can attach a silencer to it, but it's designed to not make that tuning fork ping. Well, he said, I shot it. I didn't hear it. I've heard it before, but I didn't hear it. Which is strange, but hey, what can you do? So, you know, my fix for sight bias is great. Like I said, it is the outdoor range, so I am not able to, drop it, pick it up, and see if it maintains 0. And like I said, I could have made adjustments for the 50-yard target, but I was just here having fun testing it out. The front sight base and what I did. It's pretty rock solid. Didn't move or nothing. Like I said, didn't have any issues at all. Now I did use these plastic pins, the front sight alignment, but unfortunately, it's their smallest one. Didn't really fit in the gas port. So, I thought, oh, okay. Well, part of it broke off. It's two classic pins, and they just break off. But they'll sit there and hold your front sight base in. So it's nice and aligned. That way you can clamp it down and not have any issues when you drill it and everything. I know some people, they go low profile gas blocks. Me, that's just the way I am, and that's why I want my rifles. The two I have. Well, the one I have and the one I'm gonna build in the future too. They'll be both government clones in a way. So eventually we'll be able to get a scope. So check out some other ones too, other manufacturers. So, but yes, like I said, it's great. No issues whatsoever. That's weird. No issues whatsoever. So, it's all great. It's all groovy. It's all gravy. So we'll see you next time. Stay safe. And this crazy world, keep an eye out. Your neighbors and everybody. Your family, friends. And just stay safe out there, okay? And remember, let's pray for Ukraine, okay? Nobody should be invaded. I don't care who you are. So, alright, guys. You have a good one. Stay safe. God bless. Remember, like and subscribe, share his videos. Go ahead and leave comments below. Have a good one.